Electric vehicles aren't just for the well-off or only for car buyers. In the coming days, the average Joe can also leave a lighter footprint on the environment thanks to electric two-wheelers. You can zip through traffic and improve your city's poor air quality at the same time. In fact, Ola's new e-scooter can help you do just that. But it's not just the nature of your daily commute that could end up changing. Let's take a look at how Ola could shake up the world's largest two-wheeler market. On the plus side, Ola's entry into the e-scooter segment may fast-track the adoption of battery-operated vehicles. However, this could also lead to a bumpy ride for conventional two-wheeler makers like Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp and TVS Motor. Consider the fact that Ola is expected to price its electric scooter in the range of Rs 85,000 to Rs 1.1 lakh. The price range is one that accounts for 70% of conventional ICE scooter sales in the country. And that's not the end of it. Let's decode exactly what Ola's entry into the segment will mean for traditional players as well as for other companies offering electric two-wheelers. We have Business Standard's Shelly Seth Mohile with us to delve into the details involved.
India sold a total of 1,43,837 units of electric two-wheelers in the year that ended on March 31st, 2021. According to consulting McKinsey, this is set to grow at a rapid pace over the next 5 years, and electric two-wheelers may account for as high as 25 to 30% in the overall two-wheeler market in India. Ola's entry into India's electric two-wheeler market is set to disrupt the segment in a big way. Not only will it pave way for the manufacturers to price the models a lot more competitively, it will also include them gunning for a much higher share of the overall pie. Moreover, the Japanese manufacturers like Honda, Suzuki and Yamaha, who have so far been silently watching the evolution in the electric mobility space from the sidelines, may finally get into the segment.
Thank you, Shelly. India sold a total of 1,43,837 units of electric two-wheelers in the fiscal year 2020 to 21. This number represents penetration levels below 1%. MK Global expects this could improve to 5 to 10% over the medium term. Now time alone will tell if Ola will succeed in its ambitious goals. Either way, the more electric vehicles we can get onto the streets and the faster we can do that, the easier we'll all breathe.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.